Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the JBL Wave Beam has enough charge and is powered on, then enter its pairing mode so Android can detect it. On your phone, open Settings and jump straight to Bluetooth. You don't need to navigate other menus. Once done, keep Bluetooth settings open and watch the available devices list. This immediate focus shortens pairing time and prevents the headset from timing out while you search, so you can move to connection without delay. Now choose the JBL Wave Beam from the visible devices list and tap to pair. Your phone will exchange credentials and establish the Bluetooth link. If Android asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the pairing prompt. That step verifies the connection. Make sure Bluetooth has permission to scan Enable Location or Nearby Device Permissions if pairing fails, because some Android versions require them for Bluetooth discovery. Once paired, let the phone complete the setup by playing music or a video to verify media audio routes through the Wave Beam, and then adjust both phone and headset volume for optimal levels. If you want custom sound or firmware updates, open the JBL app and follow its prompts. Updates can fix bugs and improve stability. If anything goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both the headset and your phone, forget the JBL device in Bluetooth settings, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles and resolves most connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.